Hey, Adam.
Hey, Jen. Welcome to Idaho.
Thanks. I heard you're quite the man here in Coeur d'Alene.
One of many hosts of these dinners that we started here.
Fantastic. So Monday night dinners, tell me all about this.
Well, I moved here about 8 years ago. I didn't know a single person. So I grew up with a mom who's just my role model, my inspiration. And she raised us with a dinner called Monday Night Dinners that when we were all moving out of the house, she said, can we just come together every Monday and just have dinner with each other? I'll cover the food, just let's get together.
Having a meal together, that's what every family should do.
Yeah.
Or friends.
Yeah, everybody.
Because friends become your family.
100%, yeah. And so I just decided to start walking around town and saying hello to strangers and invited them to have dinner at my home.
Okay.
And I honestly didn't think a single person would show up, and 11 people came to the first dinner.
Amazing.
And we just had our 94th Monday night dinner. We have thousands of people that come to them now.
That's incredible. I mean, sometimes you just need to say hi, and it opens up the floor to everything.
100%. People meet you in the middle every time.
Well, let's go look at the space. I want to see where you put everyone, how it's organized, and what you need help with.
So this is the backyard here. This is where we do it all.
Very cool. Tell me about this space up here.
So every Monday night dinner, we have a band.
This is a great little stage.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Yeah, there's our only shade for the yard right here. So a very special space.
It makes a big difference
Huge.
with this.
Yeah, and then we have our communal seating here, which I love. You know, you just put strangers together and people just start naturally talking to each other and sharing food with each other.
Yeah,
so
every other country does this.
Isn't that cool?
It's a great conversation
Simple.
piece. Yeah.
And then sand pit for the kids and then a climbing wall. Every Monday night dinner, I climb to the top to be able to take a picture of everybody. We get the whole group together.
That's incredible. So this is the main flow of traffic. People come from the front through here.
This is our biggest challenge, and this is why I really wrote into you guys, because right now it feels open because it's just you and me right here. But imagine hundreds of people in the small backyard. So this can get really bottlenecked, and we're just trying to find a way.
You need to organize the space and make it more accessible.
Yes.
Okay. And over here is the food area.
Yeah, so this is really like the main epicenter of all the cooking. So this deck was actually just donated last year. It was just usually on dirt. But so pretty much everyone comes in, and we have one gentleman, Kyle, who's our grill master that cooks for hundreds of people at every single dinner on this one little grill right here. This is actually just donated, so we have
everything
a smaller
is cooked from this.
Hundreds of people every single dinner.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I see just first off, like, you don't have enough space. And then the orientation of your cooking, you're facing out here to the road when you want to be facing and watching all your friends have a great time. I think you really need an outdoor kitchen. You need countertop space. Then you can maybe even incorporate some of these pieces into it and then face out this way. I spoke to one of the local designers here, this woman, Adrienne, who's amazing, and we discussed layout. So outdoor kitchen being one, your friends need to know a path to follow, something they don't even have to think or ask, and just it'll help with congestion. And then really an overall cleanup for the whole yard.
I can't even tell you how much of a dream. I mean, we've never made a penny with these dinners, so just thinking of an outdoor kitchen is a dream just to have, so.
Well, you're doing something good for the community, so we're gonna pay it back, but we just need to borrow a few friends for the installation piece.
We got a few thousand of them. You let me know how much you need.
All right, you got it.
Thanks, Jen. All right, Jen. Welcome to Monday Night Dinners. This is our A-team that we put together to help with this project. This is Savage. He's going to be helping us
Nice
with the outdoor kitchen.
Yeah, we're putting together a kitchen because they had a grill and a really small, if you want to call it a kitchen.
Yeah, I saw that.
For the quantity of people that come to this event. And so got together, we're going to do a really nice kitchen for them, make it really nice with a sink, grill, griddle. So it's pretty fun. It's gonna be nice.
Sounds good to me.
Yes, and this is Marina. She's gonna be helping out landscaping and the pathway.
So you're gonna do the pathway and help people circulate around.
I want to bring in some fresh sod, some fresh bark, and then maybe you can help me design a pathway for flow.
I like the flow. We need to tell people where to go without even thinking.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is going to be jumping between the kitchen, the pathway, and all the projects and people around, and we'll get this thing done.
Awesome.
So yeah, let's do it. It's going to be great.
Let's have some fun.
All right.
Let's go.
Jen.
Hey.
Hi.
All right, pathway checkup. What do you guys have here?
Yeah, so we're kind of planning just creating a pathway, coming in, leading the crowd, doing a little circle around our fire pit. This is what we're using. It's an Idaho quartzite. It's got a nice shine to it.
You mentioned it's a native stone too?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. And I decided to bring in some backup. We're doing so much with the sod and the bark. I wanted some extra hands.
Great. I love the stone. So
Wonderful.
you only have how many square feet to do?
Yeah, we're going to get it done. All right,
I'm gonna
thanks
check
so
on the
much.
kitchen.
Great, thank you.
Hey, Savage,
Hey, what's happening, Jen?
outdoor kitchen layout.
Yes.
Looks like you got the plumbing, electrical, water all in place.
Yeah, we're almost ready for the kitchen, but I have to do a little more welding to it. I got an idea. Yeah, you want to try it?
Can I? Yes.
Do you know how to weld?
No.
And this is, soldering for adults.
Yeah.
But I got a machine over here and I can give you a little lesson.
Sign me up.
Let's go.
Well, let's go.
All right. To start it, you pull the trigger.
Okay.
You have the tip of this wire roughly 1/8 of an inch off. And then when you start, you're either gonna go a small zigzag and you're gonna keep moving forward slowly, or you're gonna do a circle and then you're just gonna stop on the corner.
Okay.
You have to have your helmet down, make sure it's turned on. This is an automatic helmet, so where when you turn it on, you hear the click.
Okay.
So now when the arc happens and there's that bright light, it'll turn on and it'll protect your eyes.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Okay guys, so we're gonna be putting sod over here. It's gonna run all the way across back behind you. We're gonna bring it in here. Hey,
Ready
nice
to
to
help.
see you. Ready to start doing some digging?
I like you giving instruction.
Yeah, we have
Okay.
a little more prep work to do. We just hauled in a lot of sod. You ready to shovel with us?
Yeah, keep it moving.
Okay,
I love it.
awesome. Let's go ahead and come just right up about to right here, you guys.
One thing I love about doing it out of steel is that it's really light.
Yes, it's a lot lighter than cinder blocks.
Yeah.
Nice work, buddy. All right, team walkway.
Hey, how's it going?
All right, got another set of hands here.
Yeah,
Everything's
wonderful.
Looking good.
We're bringing in some sand to level this out. As soon as they get done with that one, you can work on this one for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this stone, this is the native stone, right?
Idaho quartzite, incredibly durable stone. It'll be here for at least 20 generations.
Awesome.
One, two, three.
Perfect. Hey, Adrian. How's it going? What's up, bud? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You guys are doing a good job here. You want to walk me through? So it's everything is attached to this, right?
Yes, it is. It's all attached to the OSB. We're actually just about to put another course up, so your perfect timing is here.
Okay.
Austin's gonna lay the adhesive down on the back side of the boards.
Perfect. And this is all cedar?
This is all cedar.
Okay.
Yep, and it's gonna look great with the countertops.
Oh, it's gonna go
I
so
know.
two natural elements together.
So it looks beautiful when it's new, and it'll age to this gorgeous gray when
Yeah.
it's all good to go. So
Great.
then, if you want to grab that side,
Okay.
and then we're gonna tip it up like this. We're gonna start at one end down here, and I'm gonna grab the mallet, and then I'll hand it your way.
Okay.
Tap it down. Now we're gonna set the level on top. Okay. So we're a little down on this side. We're just gonna kind of bring it up just a touch. Here.
Electronic level that tells you precision,
so
right?
handy. Yep. We're just gonna bring it up, and that'll get us. That's where we want it to be. Okay, set that down. And then I will start over here. I'll get this one in, and I'll pass it your way.
Okay.
And we'll go about every 12 inches or so just to make sure it's on nice and tight.
You like the nail gun?
I love it.
What do you like about this whole project?
Like what it looks like at the finish. and how when you turn the lights on, finish everything up, how it looks at the end.
Cool. Love it.
We like the rough side out on these boards.
I like the texture too.
Okay, you get your side lined up and then we'll
Yep.
come down.
Nice design, by the way.
Oh, well, thank you.
It's pretty simple structure. I like how lightweight it is, especially on top of this deck, right?
Yeah.
You don't want to use cinder block up here.
Okay, let's check our level before we go shooting nails in. Okay, we're good.
It's pretty awesome once you get the first one level, and the
Yes.
rest is, the first one's always the hardest, right?
Jen, Marina, Savage, I cannot thank you guys enough for what you guys have done for the home, for the dinners, and what you've allowed us to do to bring this community and the world closer together in our backyard here.
Dude, what you do for this community and the Monday night dinners do, just to put all of you together, and it's completely apparent what it means to everybody. I mean, all of you guys put your skills and your love and brought all your friends and built this incredible place out back. So I was super psyched to be part of it. So I can't wait to see it in action.
You know what day it is, though, right? It's Monday, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, we got a Monday night dinner in 1 hour. You gotta
party
stay.
now.
Monday night.
All
You
right.
staying?
I have to.
Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
Who's here for the first time tonight? Unreal. You know, we do about 16 dinners a year now from May till October, and this is our 95th Monday night dinner here tonight. So everything's been you guys, because when we give to our community, we also give to the place that we live in, we give to the people that we love. We get to live in a better place because of the heart that we give back to the place that we live in. And this is our backyard. This is our community. These dinners are ours. Honored. Everyone come up here, please. This is what it took this week to make this possible. This is the army of people that was here selflessly doing everything they could to make these dinners possible. Yes, everyone at me, 1, 2, 3, yes! I love you guys, thank you. Let's go eat!
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.